Good morning, students. Till now in chapter 13, we have studied CSA and TSA of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. The topic related to surface area has been completed. Now we will move on to the volume. So today we are going to discuss volume related to cube and cuboid. You know, in cuboid all dimensions are different. Means if any side length are different, then it is cuboid. In cube all sides length are equal. So volume of cuboid is given by L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Now volume of the cube is given by A into A, that is equals to A cube, where A is side length. What? Side length of the cube. Why we have taken A into A? Because in cube length, breadth and height are equal to the same length. Now the volume can be also known as by different name, that is capacity of the material. So volume will be also known as capacity. Now suppose we have given a cuboid box whose dimension has been given. Now in that case we will find volume in the term of meter cube or centimeter cube. Whenever we have to change meter cube or centimeter cube in liter, then you must remember 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. What? 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. Now we will solve the problem related to this exercise. First of all, I will solve first example related to this exercise. So see the first example number. I am reading the question. Example number 11. A wall of 10 meter was built across an open ground. A wall of length 10 meter. So L equals to 10 meter has been given. The height of wall is 4 meter. Height equals to 4 meter. And thickness of wall is 24 centimeter. So thickness will be equals to breadth or width, that is 24 centimeter. See here, length and height is given in meter and breadth is given in centimeter. So we must remember it. Now let us see, if this wall is built up with bricks whose dimension is 24 centimeter, multiply 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now dimension of bricks is given, that is 24 centimeter multiply 12 centimeter multiply 8 centimeter. How many bricks will be required? Now listen here, in this question we have build a wall whose length is 10 meter, height is 4 meter, and breadth is 24 meter. And the wall is made of bricks whose dimension has been given. Dimension is 24 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. Now we have to find the number of bricks. So it is not given in the question how much cement and sand has been used, concrete has been used. So here in this question, the volume of wall will be equal to the volume of bricks. Now the volume of bricks will be, let us consider n number of volume bricks is required. That will be any volume of, in these questions, volume of wall will be equals to number of bricks multiply volume of one brick. So number of bricks equals to volume of wall upon volume of brick. Now volume of wall will be equals to L into B into H. Now let us see, here dimension of bricks are given in centimeter. If we change the dimension of wall in centimeter, then it will be very easy in doing calculation. So 10 meter will be equals to 1000, 4 meter will be 424 centimeter cube is the volume of the wall. Now volume of brick will be equals to 24 multiplied 12 multiplied 8 centimeter cube. Now number of bricks will be equals to,
हेलो, हाँ भाई, कुछ ना कुछ
24 multiply 12 multiply 8. Now 24 cancel out. Centimeter cube is there was, it will be also cancel out. Now divide 100, it will be 3. 25, 2. Now it will be 100 into 25 upon 3 into 2. This is 500. That will be equals to 4166.6. What is the value is coming? 4166.6. So number of bricks required will be 4167, because bricks cannot be in decimal form. So this was the first example. Now we will see example number 2 related to this exercise. Read the example. Example number 12. In example number 12, a child playing with building blocks which is the shape of cube. Child is playing with the building blocks which are the shape of cube. Has built a structure as shown in the figure. If the edge of each cube is 3 cm, find the volume of the building. Now see, the figure is like this. Now, in this question, what is given? A child is playing with the blocks of cube. So, how many, total number of blocks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In example number 12, how much number of blocks is? Number of blocks equals to 15. Now, as length of cube, as length of cube equals to 3 centimeter. What is the as length of cube? 3 centimeter. Now, in this question, we have to determine volume occupied by this structure. So, volume of this structure will be volume of 1 cube multiply 15. So first of all, volume of 1 cube box equals to side length cube, that is 3 into 3 into 3 centimeter cube, that is 27 centimeter cube. Now, volume of a structure is number of cubes multiply volume of cube. 15 multiplied 27 centimeter cube, that will be 27 multiplied 15, that will be 405 centimeter cube. Now we will move to exercise. We will do some problem related to this topic which is given in exercise. See the first question. See the first question. A match box measure 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Now matchbox dimension of box is given 4 centimeter multiply 2.5 centimeter multiply 1.5 centimeter. This is the dimension of matchbox. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? Now, number of boxes. Box in a packet. We have to find the volume packet. Now, dimension of box is 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. By seeing the dimension, we can say that the shape of box is cuboid, because length, breadth and height are of different length. So, volume of match box will be equals to volume of cuboid, that will be L into B into H. Now, 4 centimeter multiply 2.5 centimeter multiply 1.5 centimeter. 4 multiplied by 2.5, that will be 10. 10 multiplied by 1.5, 15 centimeter cube. The volume of one matchbox is 15 centimeter cube. Now, volume of packet will be number of matchbox multiply volume of one matchbox. There are 12 multiplied by 15 centimeter cube, that is 180 centimeter cube will be the volume of the packet. The volume of packet will be 180 centimeter cube. Now moving to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a cuboid water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. In question number 2, dimension of water tank is L equals to 6 meter, width equals to 5 meter and height that will be deep is 4.5 meter. Find how many liter of water can it hold? We have to find volume. To find volume, what we have to find? Volume. But in liters. What we have to do? We have to find volume in liter. So here water tank is in the shape of cuboid. So volume of water tank will be equals to L into B into H. Now 6 into 5 into 4.5 meter cube, that will be equals to 6 5 are 30, 35 multiply 4.5, that will be 135 meter cube. How much? The volume of water tank is 135 meter cube. Now, since I have discussed earlier that 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So now volume of water tank in liters will be 130 multiply 1000, that is 135 double liters. This is the volume of the water tank in liter. Now I am discussing question number 4. Question number 3. In question number 3, it is given that a cuboidal vessel 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. A box is given whose length is 10 meter, width is 8 meter. How much height must be made to hold 380 cubic meter of fluid? Here we have to find H. Volume of vessel is equals to 380 meter cubic. What is the volume of vessel is 380 meter cubic. Now volume of vessel equals to 380 meter cube. Volume vessel L into B into H, that is 380 meter cube. Now 10 multiply 8 into H, that will be 380 meter cube. H equals to 380 meter cube upon 10 into 8 meter square. 0 0 cancel. Now 19 4. When we divide 19 by 4, it will be 4.75 meter will be the height of the tank. So solve the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.